Good morning sa inyong lahat dyan, mga kaibigan, Filipinas, and sa lahat ng taga-subaybay ni Mommy. Well guys, ngayong umaga, busy-busy si Mommy dahil mag-bake ako. I don't know, siguro bibili na lang ako ng cheesecake or mag-bake guys, and then magluto tayo ng dadalhin natin sa party ng kaibigan ko dahil ang aming party ay maganap sa likod ng church. Ang church namin may kitchen siya, may dining area, so doon kami guys. We are going to make a fresh fruit. Ito siya is carrot guys, and meron tayong maraming melon guys. I bought 3 melons. Yan ang gagawin natin para sa ating breakfast. So let's do it. We'll make that. Aside sa ating drinks, magawa din tayo ng morning coffee dahil ito talaga ang gusto ni Mommy guys. This coffee. This is decaf. If you drink coffee, sa ating mga babae, dahil may mga lumps, mahirap na guys, decaf ang ano natin para hindi masakit yung dito. If you drink coffee, we need decaffeinated coffee. So sa umaga guys, kailangan ni Mommy ang coffee. Ayan siya, and of course, may sweet din tayo. Ito ang ano sa coffee natin. Busy ang umaga kung napakadami namin. And guess what? Ito ang batong ng beet juice. So, yan, hindi ko tinapon dahil maganda siya. I don't need to buy yung mga batong na malalaki ang ano, mga malalaki yung mouth niya. Ayan siya guys, maganda. So, I keep this one because it's good for putting some drinks and juice and fruit juice and whatever na mga fresh juice that you want, tea or iced tea, and maganda siya. Iced coffee. So, I didn't throw this away. We have carrots here. We're going to juice the carrots. It's fresh. If you have cucumber, and if you have celery, that's good too. Green vegetables. So, ayan, if you like leafy vegetables, then go ahead. Pampaganda daw ito ng mata. Kagaya ng mata ko napakalaki. So, ayan. Meron na tayong carrot juice. Diba? Carrot juice. And we are going to add some melon. So yan si melon, yan si carrot juice. And of course, sa ating pampatamis, and of course, if you want some sweets, just a little bit of pineapple. If you have fresh pineapple, go ahead, use that one. Dahil magreklamo yung mga napo if they cannot taste any sweet, so we are going to add pineapple to our drinks. Oh, ayan, diba? Masarap na yan, guys. Masarap na masarap. Maraming drinks dito sa bahay, but this one, I can put this in the refrigerator. And it will last until the evening, until tomorrow. If hindi ma-open. So, ayan, melon. We are going to add our melon blends dito sa ating carrots. So, masarap na ito siya, guys. This tastes good because they're a little bit sweet, just a little bit, you know. Sa mga anak ko guys, they like the cantaloupe, but you cannot let them eat yung red melon, yung malaki, dahil there's a lot of seeds in it. I have to de-seed it and then make it into melon juice. So, ayan siya. Look at this. Nice, huh? So guys, so this is our drinks. If you add ice for this one, dahil I didn't blend the ice too, so you can add ice. Well, let's get ice. Each of us here, guys, have our own favorite drinks, healthy drinks siya guys. Low sodium tomatoes. And ito si beet juice. Ayan si beet juice guys. Hindi ko nga tinatapon yung baton niya dahil maganda siya. So, ito si anak ko guys. Very Starbucks talaga yan siya. Oh my gosh. She's into Starbucks and she even wanted to work at Starbucks. Can you believe that? Guys, ito kay mommy guys. Early in the morning when I wake up, I will drink water. But overnight, sige pa rin inom ng water, guys. And si kefir, dahil si kefir is maganda sa ating mga breast lumps. Ayan, si kefir daw, guys. And of course, maski si mommy bising-busy magluto ngayon, I'm still connected sa Pilipinas. Ay. Oh, guys. Busy si Mami dahil may celebration sa isa naming kaibigan. Sister Lalaine will celebrate her husband's birthday and her son's. So guys, ang breakfast ni Mami is egg plus toasted bread. Siya ang ating breakfast ngayon. And we're going to mix our coffee. Oh, yeah. What happened? So, ayan si coffee, guys. Oh. And this is for our fresh juice. Yeah, you have to shake it a little bit. Well, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and bye-bye. It's very easy to serve Americans, guys, dahil if you have fruits, cereal, naku, wala nang problema, hindi ka na magluto, ilagay mo na lang ang mga drinks sa table and you're good. So guys, this is my turmeric, right? Look at this. I cooked this one for 12 minutes. And let's see if 7 cups siya. We'll leave this one for like another 2 minutes. Dahil the rice is not done yet. So I make that, guys. This is turmeric rice.
Wala na, okay na. So ako lang tayo sa manubang na okay sila, hindi pa yung to sila guys. I'm going to the mountain. July, you're the enrolled or what?